Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll explain how you can quickly disable the AI feature Gemini on your Android phone and switch back to the Google Assistant. Let's get straight into it. I'm looking at a page view of my Android phone. So the first thing we need to do is open the Google app. Google makes both Android, Gemini, and Google Assistant, so this is the right place to make any changes to how your phone works. You'll see that the Google app is shown on screen. If you can't find it on your phone, you can quickly search for it by tapping the Google search bar at the bottom of the page and searching for Google. A number of apps are displayed, but we're interested in the Google icon shown in the middle. Let's tap on that once to select it. The Google app homepage is then displayed. To disable the Gemini AI feature, I need to dive into my Google profile information. I can find this by tapping on the small profile circle shown in the top right of this page. Your profile icon will look different, but you will recognize it because it will be inside a small circle. We're now on the profile page for your Google account. I'm going to select the settings option with a little gear icon next to it, shown in the middle of this page. This will open a long list of options for your Google account. But if I scroll down a little, you'll see that there is a specific settings option for Gemini. Let's tap on this once to choose it. On the page that is then displayed, we see another long list of settings, but this time, these are specific settings for how Gemini is used on your phone, so we're in the right place. I now want to scroll to the very bottom of this page. You'll see there's an option hidden away here that allows you to choose whether Google Gemini or Google Assistant is used on your phone. Let's tap on this once to take a better look at it. You'll see that on my phone, Google Gemini is currently selected. To change that, all I need to do is tap on the Google Assistant option below it. A pop-up message will then appear, confirming how Google Assistant will work and asking me to confirm I really do want to switch away from using Gemini. I'll tap once on the switch button in the bottom right of the pop-up to make that change. And that's it. You've successfully made the switch back to Google Assistant. If this Woggle guide was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more clear and easy Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.